In this video, I'll show you how to transcribe audio to text using Transkriptor. So as you can see, I am in the Let's Get Started section because I just created my account, and in here I had the option to get started for free. And if you have already created your account, you can simply just from the home screen click on Transcribe Audio to Text, and this will basically be the same. So right now I am going to drag my audio file, my MP3 file inside here, and then I will show you how you can transcribe this. So I'm going to select my file, and I have it in here. I'm going to paste it in. As you can see, it's being uploaded. It will take some time, and I will be back when this is finished. Uploading is finished, and right now, as you can see, this transcript is exactly what I said in this audio file. And you have a couple of options on things what you can do with this transcription. You can click on these three stripes at the top right, and in here you can click on share. You can click to download. You can find and replace certain words. For example, when you have a pretty long audio file, and you can translate the text in here to a different language. You can also click on transcribe again. So this software works really well. I think Transkriptor is an app that is really useful for the future when you want to prepare scripts or text, or you want to translate it into different languages. It is really handy. It works with AI, so you can also use the AI assistant in here to ask certain questions or to change some certain things. So that is how you transcribe audio to text using Transkriptor. I am right now on the free plan, but if you want to upgrade, you can basically click on upgrade, or you can just go ahead in the free plan and use a couple of transcriptions until you will reach your limit. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.